Hello, my name is Indipara Navarro Sierra. I study at Secario University. Today I will talk about my teaching practicum experience. Okay. I carried out my teaching practicum at Pablo VI Educational Institution, located in Ayapel, Córdoba. This school provides an inclusive social and educational service to the community of Ayapel and nearby areas. Its mission focuses on helping students develop knowledge, values, and skills to become responsible members of society. By 2027, the institution aims to be a strong community of learning with advanced student-centered teaching process and a great commitment to regional and national development. During my teaching practicum, my main role was to support the English teaching process at Pablo VI Educational Institution. At the beginning, I worked as an assistant teacher with Professor Karen Contreras. I mainly supported 6th grade students, helping them with activities, answering questions, and giving explanation when necessary. I also collaborate with another English teacher in 7th grade and took part in extracurricular activities such as cultural and dance events, a wind testing activity organized by the institution. Overall, I was actively involved in the academic and social development of 6th grade students. During my teaching practicum, I experienced many positive moments and also challenges. One of my biggest achievements was the active engagement of the students. They showed great interest and participation during the classes. Even though the context was sometimes difficult, the results were very positive. I received good feedback from the students, and that made me feel more confident about my work. At first, I was a little worried about how the students were read, but the final results were even better than I expected. Regarding difficulties, at the beginning I felt some insecurity because I was my first time teaching in this environment. One of the main challenges was finding the best way to motivate students and help them improve their pronunciation. I applied different strategies such as games, conversations, and group activities, which helped a lot. I thought some students were shy or nervous at first. Their response improved with time, and they became more confident. During my teaching practice, I have the opportunity to grow both professionally and personally. In terms of professional learning, I gained more confidence in myself and in my ability to work with the students. I also improved my communication skill, especially when explaining in simple English so that the student could understand. I learned how to do better instructional planning, preparing activities that fit the student needs and context. I got a professional insight into how real classroom work and how teachers manage their time and resources. Finally, I understood the importance of creating a positive classroom environment where students feel comfortable and motivated to participate. For personal learning, this experience helped me in my self-discovery. I learned more about my strengths and the kind of teacher I want to be. It also represents a great personal growth because I learned to be more patient and understanding. I developed emotional skill, especially empathy and adaptability when working with different kinds of students, and realize the impact a teacher can have not only on student learning but also on their confidence and motivation. Okay, finally, I present my evidence, trying to include the most significant moments, such as dynamic of extracurricular activities. Thank you very much for your attention.